Happy New Year's, everyone! I'm Meredith, and today's study is entitled Young Children's Engagement and Learning Opportunities in a Cooking Activity with Parents and Older Siblings by Lauren Finn and Maureen Vandermas Peeler in Elon University in North Carolina. This study was published in the spring of 2013 in an online peer-reviewed research journal called Early Childhood Research and Practice. I will attempt to post a link on the website growingvillage.org if you would like to read the study in its entirety, which I highly recommend because it's very interesting. This study took 27 families with 4-year-olds. Half of the families had older siblings involved, 6 to 8-year-old siblings, and the other half was just the parent-child's dynamic. They gave the parents recipe cards for Rice Krispie treats and then videotaped the interactions. They were studying the dyadic interactions of parent and child, and they were also studying the triadic interactions of parent, sibling, child. So they coded all of these interactions and studied the findings, which are... Our findings support previous research suggesting that adults can foster emergent literacy and numeracy learning in young children through shared participation in joint activities at home. The findings confirm that parents used the cooking activities as an opportunity for teaching children about literacy via the recipe cards and as a means of helping them practice basic mathematical activities such as counting, measuring, and identifying shapes. We all knew that, right? But additionally, the findings also suggest that the presence of an older sibling may alter the types of teaching and learning opportunities parents can facilitate. Analysis of parent-child interactions across groups indicated that parents did more teaching relating to numeracy and general skills in the dyadic condition, and that younger children had more correct responses to the parent guidance behaviors when the older sibling was not present. Parents in the triadic condition engaged in more complex literacy-related teaching of older siblings, with the younger children taking the role of observer. With regard to social interactions, more role negotiation, frustration, and conflict occurred in triads than in dyads. So this is interesting to me, the sibling portion, because they actually cited 7 other research studies relating to siblings before they presented their findings, and they also claim that 80% of children in the U.S. are raised with siblings in the home. There really isn't all that much research that's been done on sibling interactions and how that affects that learning that goes on in the home. So for parents, it's a good reminder to be mindful of all the conflict resolution that you're doing in these sibling relationships versus actual teaching moments that you're taking advantage of. And I think for teachers, it's really interesting to think about how the singletons in our class may be experiencing more of those teachable moments at home than the siblings are, or possibly just the younger siblings are, and how that might affect our teaching in a classroom. It's also a good reminder to be aware of our conflict resolution that we're doing in our classroom and how much they might be getting of it at home versus how much they're getting at school. So anyway, I could go on for hours, but I won't. I will just see you next time. Bye-bye.